as well as, to add one thing to another, often with a focus on both elements. When as well as, with, along with, and not, in addition to, but, besides, except, rather than, accompanied by, joins two subjects in a sentence. The helping verb agrees with the first subject. Example: he, as well as you, is tired of this work. He is in the third person singular number, and as such, it takes a singular verb. As far as defines the range or boundary of something. As far as I know, she is married. The range is limited to what the speaker knows. As soon as. One action happens immediately after another. As soon as, or the moment he came, I left. Here, as soon as and the moment are subordinating conjunctions that connect two clauses, showing that one action, I left, happened immediately after another. Leave as soon as possible. In this sentence, as soon as possible is a phrase that means at the earliest possible time.
As if, as though. Something appears or is perceived even if it may not be true. Use simple past tense for unreal comparison. Use plural verb for it. Use present perfect tense for a situation that is likely possible. He started scolding me as though as if he were my boss. In this case, the speaker is not actually his boss, but behavior is being compared to that of a boss.
For as, because, since, to show reason or cause. Use because in the middle, since beginning. Use for or as in the middle or at the beginning. Use a comma before for if used in the middle. I left the house because as I was bored. Because or as in the middle. Since as, for I was bored, I left the house. Being bored was the reason for leaving the house.
I left the house for I was bored. Here, the word for is used in the middle of the sentence, and there is a comma before it. Don't use because with the reason why. The reason why they got married is because they love each other. Remove because. Correct version: the reason why they got married is they love each other.